May pay me back everything that happened yesterday. Hooked me up. Sit back and watch the show with 11 games to go. That's how we do. $450 into the machine. Make it happen. I'm not gonna make it faster. Let's make it tactic here. With the Sandman. Handpay, let's see. Oh. You know, there's this thing that if you touch the machine and speed it up, it might not pay you as much. So sometimes you gotta just let it do its thing. Hoping for that second point there, but we're on action, we're on camera. Oh, garbage. Ooh, garbage. That was really garbage. Oh, man, I don't know. Maybe it's done? That's done. Wow. Oh, thank goodness. Wow. That's good. Get me up there. Go through. Buffalo Stampede, come on. The first one and the third one. The rope. Hope I need a rope there. Damn it. Yes. Good. Anyways, as you can notice, it's the only reason why I'm winning right now. Talk more about that later. Come on now. Come on. And the machine's louder than heck, so. Ow. Oh, no. No, come on, no. Oh, that's a good one. Finish this the finale one. 4 times? Okay. There we go. Alrighty. $500. Right. Yeah. May pay me back everything that happened yesterday. Hooked me up. Sit back and watch the show with 11 games to go. That's how we do. $450 into the machine. Make it happen. I'm not gonna make it faster. Let's make it tactic here. With the Sandman. Handpay, let's see. Oh. You know, there's this thing that if you touch the machine and speed it up, it might not pay you as much. So sometimes you gotta just let it do its thing. Hoping for that second point there, but we're on action, we're on camera. Oh, garbage. Ooh, garbage. That was really garbage. Oh, man, I don't know. Maybe it's done? That's done. Wow. Oh, thank goodness. Wow. That's good. Get me up there. Go through. Buffalo Stampede, come on. The first one and the third one. The rope. Hope I need a rope there. Damn it. Yes. Good. Anyways, as you can notice, it's the only reason why I'm winning right now. Talk more about that later. Come on. And the machine's louder than heck, so. Ow. Oh, no. No, come on, no. Oh, that's a good one. Then just a finale one. 4 times? Okay. There we go. Alrighty. 500 bucks. Right. Yeah. Games here. Alright, 4 towers unlocked. Make it happen. It's always fun to watch. Press the start button. Let's go. Alright, 4 tower wonder. Got it. Unlocked. Done. Got the eagle spraying. That could be a little rough. We need re-triggers. Okay. Strike out. Wow, 2 strikeouts. 3 strikeouts, oh no. 4 strikeouts. $24 hit, that's good, but there we go. Got those queens. Those kings. Those buffaloes at the tops. Triggers. Wow. Wowzers. I'll take it, of course. This amazing hit. Unfortunately, I always record. I can record at bad times, but that's a lot. It's not a Handpay. $240?
24,300.
No, yeah, $240. Spin on the big old Buffalo Grand, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Let's read this machine, man. This has major grand and all that stuff, so we'll see what I get. It's at 250 right now. So we'll see. Please give me something good. Dear Lord, that's all I needed. Oh, baby doll. Oh, shit. 125. That's the way it works. They don't pay it, but I came in with 300. I would say I lost it over there in the wicked winnings and stuff, but I want to say it just paid me back right now. Yep, major. Okay, well that's not too bad. Finally. Well, excellent timing, that's for sure. Yeah.
Oh my God, look at this.
Oh, get a teaser. Well, you're on the right bet to get it, that's for sure. Alright, there we go. Yeah. That is a lot of luck, yeah. Man, I got the major. This one was hard. It probably was like this for 2 days, but I got some free spins, so let's see what happens. if it's gonna give me the hand pay or not. If it's the blue one, it'll be hand pay. But I don't. Man, $1,000. We got lucky. Lucky.
That's awesome.
Come on, that's it. I think it's this one. Oh no, just keep it in there. The blue one, the re-trigger, nice one. Come on now. Oh, okay, it's me in there. Come on. Oh, come on, the blue one. Oh, no, that's it. Whew, man. Wow, 1,000. So no hand pay. Thank goodness, no taxes. Thank goodness. Wow, that took a long time to get that one. I think I put like 400, maybe 500 in here. Yeah. So, but the thing is that you see this one, 507. I got that one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. And that's why I gotta get ready. I gotta go to work. There we go. Yeah. The boba finally hooked me up, man. That was a hard one to get. 7 years ago. And I think that was on the second re-trigger. I switched it. I was on pennies. I switched it. I said, you know what? Sometimes $1,000 jackpot. Everybody says that when they hit it, but I think you might have still some free games left. But what happened? Did you lose a lot, like 2,000? Or you only lost maybe 300 bucks?
I got back from Vegas and I lost a lot of money in Vegas. And I thought I'd come here and see what I'm doing.
Hey man, you need to win some money. Oh, okay, it's hooked me up. There's a freaking car purchase. Oh, hooked me up. Get a good one. Extra spin. Extra spins about it. You can get more than that. Beer spots are random, but those are actually really good spots. Hope this pays. Come on now, hook me up. Oh man, I like hiding. Yeah, because you got the muchos cervezas all over the place. That's bueno. Should be good. Should be good.
Wow.
See how lucky this guy is?
Wow. Get the Raja thing.
3,200.
Hold on 1 second before you kid.
What the hell? Huh? Did you get the picture? Yeah.
Let me give me a second though before you kid, because I definitely want to hear the tune.
I knew this machine was gonna hit. I told you. What did I tell you?
I don't know.
Looks like you're keeping the SUV after all.
Dang, man, I was like, that took some guts right there. That
was it right there.
Yeah, I was kind of lucky all day though.
3,200.
I probably put in like 250. Yeah. Working my way back, but I got a long way to go. Black diamonds on both of them. We got the black diamond here and got the black diamond here, man. Ooh, man. There we go. Trying to make my way back. Little 10-second clip, so I might have to just bounce at that. Jeez. There. Bam. It's a nice one to see. Take a little video of that. Fuck. No, but that one, no. That machine right here, I put in 500. 500, so I'm only up 300. Piece of shit. Maybe San Manuel wants to pay me, man. Wow. But I think I had 1,300 over there. I went all the way down to 600 there. 1,300, so almost 500, $600 lost on that machine trying to get that blue diamond. I'm gonna go 2 more hundred. When I get this one, I'm gonna go 2 more hundred. And $8, I swear. No, that's 4,000 times 54. I'm at 1,000. Oh, that's just Handpays. Still just enjoying the hit. They're gonna come out and hand pay me right now. Lucky machine. It's gonna go to spin this off, see what happens. Yeah, so I think you get the flaming money over here, and then it triggers 15 free games, and it was doing it, but it wasn't paying nothing. Wow, man, wow, that's 250. That's $300 with the $87 in the machine still going for it.
Let's get that major.
Wow, I got lucky on that one.
Come on, major. Oh.
Yeah, that was really lucky. That's high for the bet. That's very high. Wow.
Another 50 bucks.
I love when it starts giving out bigger numbers like that. Come on, get another big one. Come on now.
Come on now. Come on. Yes, 37.
No, just big numbers.
Yeah. Man, this machine was cold.
It did clobber me for 60, but wow, another 50.
Damn.
Wow. I hope it's 500. I haven't did the math yet.
Damn.
Oh, come on.
One more. Get in there. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good.
Wow. It does a little extra tune when you hit it.
Oh, yeah, good. You gotta hear that.
Rhonda does it.
Oh. Damn.
That is a nice win, yeah. For $2.50, that's a good one. That's probably almost one of my highest $2.50 wins. Wow. Mini is $2.50.
Okay, well,
Hook me up, man. I need it.
Watch that major get in there.
Oh.
Watch, man. Watch that motherfucking minor get in there.
Get in there, money.
Pop, kid.
Get in there, you motherfucker. Get!
You motherfucking minor.
Come on.
I feel like screaming and hollering. Come on, bitch.
Oh! Well, done my turn. I go up to the room because my mother-in-law and everybody's up there. Okay, I'm gonna cash this out and then I'm going, but this is a nice little payout here on the Dragon Link. Let's go ahead and watch and see if I get it. The music changes when you get the last one. Wow. Okay. There we go. Come on. Come on, hit it. Hit it! Come on, you son of a bitch. 10,000, come on. Pay me. Hook! Oh. Bonus on here, man. Dang, that's a hand pay though. I'm gonna have to wait for my jackpot. I'll take it. I need it. About time I win something. I won $1,000. Yes. I got it. Took a while though, but I don't know. Still down big. Getting it off of this. Oh. Just gonna listen to it for a little while. This one, been playing it for a long time and never hit that 2,500. So finally playing this one for a long time. I've hit the 800, I hit the 1,600. Today's the day I hit the 2,500. Holy fucking mother. Yeah, that's nice. Yep. But I was losing all over the place.
Oh, really?
300, 400, I was losing.
Oh, wow. How much you got there?
2,500.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, that's very rare, but back to back. You know what? Games. I've never got more than 18 games.
I never gave you 18 games.
No, that's really high.
10 minutes.
It's this card right here.
10 minutes.
Yeah. Well, I just want to see what happens. You know, if it keeps going and going and going, then hey, you know. You know why it's going to keep going and going, because you know, they owe me. That's why they owe me. That's it. That was it though. Womp womp womp. And so here we go. Spin number 1. I'm still in here, man. I need 1,000. Well, basically got my money back. Had to put in the machine, but I was chasing this 3 spin hit. Oh, it's doing me dirty. I need those hundreds. Last one. And a big one. Alright, that's good. Oh. The machine I said to play, got lucky on this one. So 1,600. Yep, but down big already, so yep. And it almost hit the grand, but I'm gonna play it down a little bit. Go slower, a little more. Take that. There we go. Better. Yeah. It's a decent Dragon Link hit, but I never make any videos anymore because you don't win. That's all. So okay, this is a decent one. Come on. Okay, bigger numbers here, huh? Oh. Come on. Lift it up. A little bit more. Okay, another mini. Okay. Couple of a little bit of money to keep me in a game. So the green one. So. Go all the way down to the last spin. It'll be nice. But no. We're gonna hear the kings. Almost. Yeah, it's a lot of almost. They say almost all day long. But hey, this one's a little better, but this is 50 and 37. Pretty good. It's pretty good. Finally, get the money back. Yeah. I wish. Need to get more. First spin doesn't do nothing. Second spin should pay. And third one.
That's happened to me so many times on this.
Yeah. It's never gonna happen. See, we got a little window. Oh, $50. That'll work. Okay, $75. 2. There we go. There we go. I like those spots. Hey. Come on now. Ah. Okay, last one. Oh. Ooh. Come on. I see no spear in there. Wow, again a close one. They owe me the money, so let's hit it. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Bingo. Come on, baby. I need that 18,000. Come on. Pay me, please, please, please. Damn. It's close. It's still a lot though. Damn. happens. Gotta get my camera on and record it just in case, because it could happen. Look at this. Okay. Just in case. Come on. Come on. Piece of shit. No. Lucky. Almost. Yeah. Was it close enough? Hey, bro, a little blue one to get me started. Man, look at that. Right before work, man. That's the way you go in with high spirits and big smile. So I'll let you watch and see what else it does. Watching it live almost. Come on. Oh, damn it. Come on, don't do me like that. Get another one. Oh, no. Yo, there we go. Hang in there. Keep it going. Keep it going. Come on. Oh. Last one. Oh, man, I'll take that, though. Little video. It's always fun to watch with the cha-ching. That's your time. Ooh, it took a while to get that one. There we go. That'll work. We're a freaking bonus. So somebody's gonna get it. It's gonna pay up pretty soon. We'll see. It's a surprise which one's gonna pay. You don't see 15,000 every day. Yeah, it's okay. Man, that's crazy. That's so crazy. That is crazy. I was like, that's fucking. Hey, don't kick yourself over that one. Yeah, you never know. I got my player card in. It might have hit for just me. Yeah. Yeah, I gamble a lot. So. Wow. Wow, man. Wow, dude. Wow. Wow. Alrighty, so we're gonna spin it off here. Wow. We're gonna spin it off. There, the paperwork is done, so here we go. Let's go 2 spins. And no love, but it was close. Wow.